sun. Why can't life just change? I've been trying to find my way. I'm tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down, now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be me. I'm tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down, now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be me. I'm tired of going through the motions. Trying to make it through a long day with a uniform for a shirt. So quick to lose inspiration when I'm clocking back into work. It could be worse. I ain't sleeping in the dirt. I've been going through the motions while I'm on this earth. What's it worth? All this time been passing. Feels like I'm losing passion. Please God, make something happen. It feels like nothing happens. I need changes for the better. I've been walking through the weather. I'm so used to saying never. Maybe never lasts forever. I don't know. Feel my pain when I go through the rain. Do you go through the same? Yeah. Look at that, damn, now I gotta do me, boy, stay in my lane. I gotta live my life for the light, man, I can't wait. Yeah, I ain't going down the drain, tired of going through the motions. Days just feel the same. Why can't life just change? I've been trying to find my way. I'm tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down, now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be me. I'm tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down, now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be me. I'm tired of going through the motions. I got a Ford Focus, wish I had a Mercedes. Driving around the city, man, my schedule been crazy. I'm tired of being single, wish I had me a lady. I'm trying to find a promised land and someone gon' take me. Hey, Chris, man,
yo. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in.
Yeah, I'm at a show, hop on the stage and go. I'm hearing a round of applause, but what if I lose my soul?
How y'all doing? Welcome.
I never let go of the phone. What if my whole life I missed the point and then I end up alone? Emotions gonna make you a clone.
Recording
What's
in
goody?
progress.
What's goody? Welcome in. Hope you guys are well. Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer?
I'm tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down. Now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be me. Going through the motions. I was just trying to be down. Now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be me. I'm tired of going through the motions.
All right. Well, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are doing well. Good to see you all. Good to see you. Let's begin. Yes, sir. Stephen B in the house. What up, Stephen B? What up, Matt? Energy is in the house. What up, Energy? What up? Yeah, motions. What up, Louis G? Louis G in the building. Stevie Mac in the house. What up, Nate G? Oh, man, the wrenches. Cobra's in the house. Yo. Forsaken, what's goody? Mr. VDM is here. Missed you in London today. What up, Wokey? What up, Tamra? Morning, Mr. Lopez. Hope you guys are well. Let's begin here today. Let's get Zoom involved in the day here. How's everyone doing? How's everyone's London session? Asian session? You guys take any trades? What's the deal? Let's see. Discord. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, join the Discord now. Don't wait. Okay. I think we're good. Let's rock and roll. Yeah, let's get the party started. Let's go ahead and pray. Give thanks for just an incredible opportunity the fact that we even get to do this, man, with healthy bodies and sound minds and all that stuff. So let's give thanks for that, and then we will begin this lovely day here in front of us. Cool. Father in heaven, Lord, we just thank you, Lord. We are a community that is thankful. We're grateful, Lord. We thank you for vision. We thank you for all that you've already delivered to us, Lord. We know that we can ask anything, believe it, and have it, Lord. So we thank you for that. We thank you for your presence. We thank you for the spirit of victory. We thank you for all the accomplishments that are taking place throughout this community, Lord. We just give you the glory for it. And I just thank you for this opportunity to be here today, gather with this group, and we just thank you. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Let's share my screen. Let's share the screen here. What an opportunity. What a time to be alive. We're in all different states and countries, and we all have the same vision and a common goal and interest in this thing called day trading. So it's good to be with y'all. Let's go ahead and get the party started. Let me just make sure we're good here, and we are. Let's do it. Let's do it. What up, Only Bands? Welcome in, Zoomers. Welcome in. Welcome. Let me just do one more thing here. Okay, cool. All right, so let's talk about today. Today is the 29th day of January. It is Wednesday, and it's another day, another opportunity for us to just stay in the driver's seat here, you know, stay disciplined, stay professional, stick to our plan, and not really do anything stupid. You know what I mean? No deviating from the plan. So we have a good plan. All we have to do is follow it, right? So we got some red folders here today, right? So you're gonna have some CAD stuff, nothing too crazy during, you know, NY Open here, so we shouldn't have to worry much about that. You got some CAD red folder news that should come in at 9:45, which will probably bring some volume here into gold, and anything, you know, related to the US as well. And then 2 p.m. is going to be the big Fed meeting. So you got Jerome Powell coming in here doing a press conference and all that stuff at 2:30. So there will be lots of volume a little bit later on today. We'll see if we get any of that volume in New York session. Everything's been pretty volatile for the most part. So let's go ahead and open up the charts. Let's take a look at the technicals, and let's do a top-down analysis. Y'all ready? If I may ask, as normal routine, if you guys can like the stream for me, give the stream a like. If you guys are not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And let's dive into a fresh top-down analysis, all right? What up, Aaron? The man. Yeah. You gotta love this guy in London. You gotta love this guy. What's up, Dell? Yo, what up, DJ Scratchers? J Coop. What's good, everyone? What's good? All right, let's go ahead and take a look at gold here. Let's start on the daily, and let's talk about it. How's the music? Let me lower it just a little bit. Hold on one sec. All right, cool. So let's talk about gold here. This is the daily time frame. So we've obviously been moving our way up for quite some time now. We are coming into this overall pretty strong resistance zone here, right, on the daily time frame. If we look left, we kind of got some resistance here. We've already kind of cleared this range, right, all this clean traffic here, you know, in that area. So now we're just kind of chopping around between what is that, 2780 and 2745-ish, right, kind of just ranging there. There was a fake out that took place here as well, so that was pretty interesting, right? You would expect maybe closures back below there for price to continue moving down, but price did not want to move down there. So yesterday's candle did close bullish, right? So we did close strong bullish yesterday, indicating, you know, if we break these highs here, I mean, we should move up and fill that wick here on the day, right? I mean, that's definitely a possibility. I'm thinking we could potentially move up here during the NY session, and depending on how things come out later, possibly get this bleeder, right, for price action to kind of start moving back below these ranges here. But we will see, right? I'm not here to predict the future, so right now I guess I'm just bullish based off of this daily candle closure. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour to see what's going on here. So if we're looking at the 4 hour time frame, right, we're basically ranging. So talking about the candles here, you have big move up, right, really big move up right into this zone here. If you look left, right, there's a lot of resistance. You kind of just stutter a bit and you don't really do anything, right? You come down now, strong candle, closes without a bottom wick, right? Next candle comes up, pushes up, breaks all through these highs, yet cannot close above, right? Comes back down, closes weak bullish, but bullish at that, right? So you have somewhat of a support here on the 4 hour time frame. Price hasn't really made much of a lower wick, and now it looks like we are filling that wick, right? So I am pretty bullish here on gold. You do have this range here as well on the 4 hour. We should be good to retest that range and possibly even fill that wick here today, right? The daily candle is bullish. Keep that in mind. If we break the highs, you do have that wick to fill there. So everything looks good for the most part. Moving on up, I am long on gold on a couple combines here, which may have hit. Yeah, so my TPs are hit. So I was in gold buys off the hourly candle here. So yeah, those hit, and now we'll play the game on this account. So 4 hour moving up nice, 30-minute close with no top wick there. So that's a bit of an issue, right? Bit of an issue here. 15-minute looking good though. We are filling the range here, so we'll see what happens. NY Open bringing the volume here. Bringing the volume. Sheesh. 1 minute into this candle, I didn't even get a chance to go like manage my trade. It's crazy. Yeah, so that's it. You know what I mean? Nice little push there. I was pretty bullish. I took a buy on this bullish closure here off the 1 hour, and yeah, just didn't do much, but just now it pushed. Sheesh. Sheesh. And I have to close there, right? Because I can only make about 1,500, so I'm up 1,400 on this, 1,300 on that. So I'll trade the 50k XFA here today for any other trades. Yeah. But damn. Crazy. 1 minute push. Wow. Yeah, so you see how we closed above here? We didn't have a wick, so I probably wouldn't have taken any newer trade there. But or I'm saying we closed with no top wicks. I probably wouldn't have taken a new trade there. But wow, that was quite the move. See how we retested the top of the zone? So we'll see. We'll see what happens from here. Sheesh. Let me just mark this up. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, so Oanda chart not looking like that? Damn. Yee. Don't tell me how Oanda's looking. Wow, that's crazy. Forex is going down. Yo. I'm done. Sheesh. All right, so basically what happened here was, where is it? So this 1 hour candle here, right, had a little bit of a top wick. So buy stops were set there. I guess it just kind of tapped me in and then closed without a top wick, without me realizing as I'm opening up the stream here, and literally in 1 minute just shot up. Like, that was wild. Yeah. Forex is opposite. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Crazy. Wow. Well, how about that for like opening on FOMC day? Sheesh. Sheesh. Let me just. What's today? 29. That was wild. Oh, whoops, wrong account. Yeah, so we'll see what happens now that we're in these resistance levels here. I mean, look at the 4 hour, right? So if you can get a 4 hour candle that closes outside the range now, I think it's starting to look really, really good at this point. Yeah, you got clean range to the left too. Crazy. Crazy, crazy move. NY Open is great again? What do we think? Sheesh. Alright, let me just take a picture of this so that way I can get it off and then we can... Alright, cool. Alright, we'll see what happens now. Yeah, lots of volume here. Zoomers, how we feeling? Hey, someone in Zoom send me a chart of Oanda, please. Please, please. Because yo, that's crazy. One going up, one going down. Can't make it up. Here we go. George, thank you, man. Let's see here. What time frame is this? 4-hour time frame? All right, let's take a look. Uh, 4-hour time frame. Wow, that's insane. So, John, what are you doing today? Oh, wait, damn, John ain't even here yet. Uh-oh, some trickery going on later. Jerome about to be handing out. I don't know why it's so different. I'm not that guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm not that guy that knows that type of stuff. YouTube's not showing the live stream. Yeah, that seems to be the case over the last couple months. Hopefully they can get it fixed. What up, Morpheus? How you doing, bro? Yo, that's wild. That's crazy. Like, that's legit. That looks like this one's going up and this one's going down. That's crazy. Crazy. One's bullish, one's bearish. I think someone sent in another time frame, right? Let me see. That's futures. That's... Damn. That's crazy. What are you gonna do? I guess my only advice there is just trade your chart. You know, I don't know, like, there's really nothing else to say. I mean, you just got to trade the chart that you're looking at, right? The chart that either your broker's chart or the chart that you normally use to analyze. Yeah, that's wild. Trade your chart. There you go. Trade your chart. What up, Rafi? Good morning. Think you took the same trade? Yeah, so basically, like, the 1 hour had like a high on it, right? So we grabbed the pack on the 1 hour, and I had a buy stop here, but I was in the shower basically, ran out here, got dressed real quick. I guess it got activated, and literally within 1 minute, like, let's take a look at the 1 minute time frame there. Yeah, within 1 minute it hit target. That's crazy. All right, Forex is bearish. I know, that's wild. Yeah, you had the pack runner here on the 1 hour. You broke the lows there. You never broke any of those other lows here. 4 hour was still pretty good. The 4 hour low never broke. It was just the 1 hour breaking the lows there and then just straight back up. Yeah, I would have been pretty open for buys anyway. Like, if this, let's say we got a closure here to come back up and retest the high. Yeah, this is crazy. All right. Support and resistance? Yeah, of course. Of course. So, like, anytime you're looking for, like, let's say buys and sells, you want to try and find zones and ranges. Like, I think this is personally it's just my opinion, right? That this is the best way to trade gold, because gold likes to make big moves and then range. And big moves and range, and typically, like, what it'll do is when it's trending, it'll make like those really nice supports and resistances. That way you can kind of correlate the higher time frame. So like right here, right, you see price kind of moving down. You kind of, whatever, you create that low, you come up, you create that resistance here now, right? So now you have a brand new resistance. It rejects that previous zone in which it came from, and your job is to now just sell off that resistance to fill this wick right here. You see how there's clean range to the left? So anytime you have a trending market, excuse me, where the higher time frame's bearish, and you get that nice little pullback, and like you stay below, like this was the previous range right here, right? This range right here. So notice how this stays below that range. It also rejects it too. You see how it tried to come up and kind of like a relay race type of deal, right? And then it rejects off, creates resistance. You have clean range to the left. You also have this wick to fill, and that's your trading candle right here. So learning how to spot them is extremely important, because when you understand that concept about the higher time frame, like trying to go down, candles making top wicks and what that looks like on the 4 hour, like this could be your previous 4 hour candle, right? This could be the close of it, and then this move up could just be the next 4 hour candle making a top wick. So what that looks like is a bearish 4 hour closure, right, with this candle here closing up, and now this green candle, right, and this wick just represent the new 4 hour going like that. So by the time you're taking an entry right here, you're like entering like right here on that 4 hour top wick. And then this right here is your wick fill. So all you're doing is a 4 hour wick fill, 15-30 minute range fill. So if you could just get that right there and not look for another strategy, another setup, another anything, like you can make it in this game. That one concept right there, if you could just master that. Higher time frame, lower time frame correlation, only taking buys off support, sells off resistance. You'll crush it. Crush it. Big blessings. Big blessings. My man. How are you, bro? Round of golf in March. What do you say? What do you say? What's up, Futures Frank? Hey, man, I love that you kept that name. I love it. Futures Frank. Fits you better than Forex. Do I just trade gold? Yeah, pretty much. I'll sit here and lie to you and be like, no, you know, I trade NAS and ES, but not really. I've been sample sizing those pairs. I've been watching them for a while, and I do execute from time to time. But if we look at all my trades, I mean, they're basically all gold. Yeah, just a couple NASDAQ trades this month. Will I tell you I'm gonna start trading gold, NQ and ES a little bit more? Yeah. But will I? We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, basically all of my trades have been gold. So this is like basically from the beginning of the year. Yeah, so you could probably count the NQ. All gold, all gold, 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 gold. There's NQ. So I have been trading it a little bit, and I will get into it more, but I just have to, you know, understand it, learn it, and all that good stuff. But yeah, mainly gold. I've actually done really well on NQ this month, not gonna lie. Been trading it for power hour though. Haven't really traded it during the NY sesh or anything. Yeah, you see, I've actually done really well on NQ. Yeah, so like maybe like 9 or 10 trades this month. Yeah. So we'll see. Maybe we'll get some more action on those pairs. But gold is really like the pair I've been trading for the last like 4 years, so especially during the NY sesh. Yeah, I do trade them the same way I trade gold. I think as long as you're looking at candlesticks, you can make this strategy work for you. Like now it's just about finding like the nuances and the little details to the pair you're trading. Like I know that like NY Open brings volume, 930 brings volume, like London Open brings, so like if you know when the volume comes into your pair, then all you have to do is learn how to read candlesticks, which is basically my strategy. And that's it. You know, I mean, just understand when the volume comes in and look for your setups around those times. The strategy does really well with volume. So that's why you tend to see me take trades around the same time. London Open, New York Open, NYSE Open, tiptoeing around those times. Big blessings. I didn't see. Are we down for some golf here in March? Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Sandman. Johnny Gem's in the building. How are you, brother? How are you?
Yo.
Your cells are coming up here, G.
What's good, my brother?
Your cells are coming in hot.
Yeah, right? We did get that fake out we were anticipating there, for sure.
Yep.
I really wanted to take those buys, man. After we faked out that new resistance above that resistance, but we got no topic there, so didn't take them.
Yeah, honestly, I got lucky on that. Like, that literally happened in a minute. I didn't even see the candle close without the wick.
Yeah, right? But that was a nice move up there. Just no wick, no top wick there for me.
Yeah. I mean, I understood the move, like why we would push up, but I got lucky in terms of like how quick it happened.
Yeah, it was a quick push there for sure. Right at NY Open too. No top wick, no bottom wick. A lot of volume in that candle just going up.
Yeah. It's becoming impossible to trade with you because the broker, that's fine. I never really want you guys to trade with me anyway. I want you guys to come in here and ask questions that could help you with your trading, your mentality, your mindset, your approach to life, and help you guys in that manner. You know what I mean? I don't really want you guys taking trades just because I'm taking them. I want to teach you my style and all that, but you know, there's got to be independency, you know what I mean? So you could still come here for the mentality and the mindset of a trader, but, you know, you just trade your own chart. That's the way I would look at it.
Facts, bro, because you cannot trade exactly like this individual, you know, like every single trader trades differently. Even when they're trading the same system, like they trade differently with terms of management, entries, right? So you take what can make a lot of value for your trading and you just run with it, right? And you just focus on you. Absolutely.
Yeah, and I'm sure you've noticed you're not going to get the same results as me. Anyone who's like tried to do that, because I remember trying to do that with Raja. So anyone who's ever tried to do that, you can already tell now you're not going to get the same results as me, right? Because there's other things, you know, that come into the equation of trading, right? Mentality, experience, you know, responsibility, right? Like just... So there's a lot of differences. No, it's like a snowflake. Like no two snowflakes can be the same.
100%, bro.
So they say. I haven't actually. I don't have any proof of that, but that's how the saying goes. Yeah, but I'm just here to help y'all live a great life, be successful, get tuned in. Right? A lot of people are just tuned out. I'm trying to, you know, tune you in a little bit.
Absolutely,
tune you in,
bro.
call you up. You know what I mean?
You know the power of like one pip, right? The difference that one pip can make in your trading, right? So think about it, like even if you're off by one pip on this guy's entry or his close, you got a different trade than him as well. So yeah, especially trading, you cannot be exactly like someone else. That's facts.
Let's get Johnny Gems up here. Hold on one sec.
What's up, chat? What's up? How we feeling? Happy FOMC day. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's feeling amazing.
Yeah, I hear. Everyone's coming in saying the charts are different. I get it. I see it. Yeah.
That's that Oanda chart, right?
Yeah, this stream is definitely a lot more than just take a trade that I call. Like, I'm really here to call you up. You know what I mean? I'm here, you know, like to really kind of get you in the mindset of that. You know, these times that you spend on this stream will really go towards your future. And if you really like take it serious and come here to get your questions answered, you will have a great future, my friend. Like, this is about taking your business to the next level, your trading business. This is about taking your ownership over your own life to the next level. You know what I mean? So it's a lot deeper than just, hey guys, I'm going to get in this cell. You can make some money with me, you know, for the next 10 minutes. This is like, I'm trying to leave you with something lasting, something long that you can give and instill into your children. You feel me? So it's a lot deeper than just coming here for a trade. And if you take the time and spend the time to be around this group, you will find that, hey, you know what? I am finding ways to get better. So that's what this stream is about more than anything. You know, especially a trade. So
Yes. Facts.
now, do we take some good trades? Absolutely. Will you come here and take wins? Of course. Will you take losses? Absolutely. But, you know, the real stuff is, what can you take away and apply into your own life?
Yep. And that's the cool thing about trading too, right, Nick? Like, okay, you can buy, I can sell at this exact moment. We could both end up making money. Right?
Yep.
So for real, man, what can you take that's valuable for you and that can work for you specifically, right? Absolutely.
All right, so what do we got here? 8:30 coming up? Yeah, 8:30 coming up. 30 closures all coming up, so we'll see what happens. We're just ranging right now, so.
Yeah, Ruffs, I was down to take the buys after the fact we faked out, right? That was the point of the counter trend trade. Wait for the fake out to create resistance, and then if we can close above that new resistance where we had that fake out, that's the buy I was looking to be in. So yeah, that's why I was down to take those buys there. Yep.
Already seeing progress? Nice. Well done, well done. Day by day, brick by brick. We trying to... What's my take on the power of the subconscious mind? It's all you got. You know, no one's ever seen it. No one can find it, but we know it's in there. So I believe everything happens in the spiritual realm long before it happens in the physical realm. And a lot of times, if you do the work in the spiritual realm, it almost comes flawlessly in the physical realm. You ever notice that about people? Seems like they've got so much momentum. It seems like everything they touch turns to gold. And that's because they're truly doing the work in the spiritual realm. See, what most people don't understand is that the spiritual realm is just as real as what you see in front of you right now. But we've been taught, we've been blinded to it, right? Because people understand how powerful it is. So there's a lot that goes into it. I could probably do a whole webinar. Actually, I did do a whole webinar on it. It's like 4 hours long. Yeah, it's in the clubhouse. I highly recommend checking it out. Yeah, the subconscious mind's everything. Everything. Landon, let's make it happen, bro. Let's make it happen.
Hey, what's up, Landon?
Early mid-March would be lovely.
Bro. Come on, man.
We'll do a little golfing.
Landing, golfing, and push-ups.
Yeah,
Yo,
I do
this
take...
guy Landon, bro, remember? Nick,
Yeah,
remember at the meetup?
I do.
This dude started hitting pull-ups on the tree. Because he couldn't hit push-ups because his arm hurt or whatever. Something wrong with his arm. So we were all hitting push-ups. He didn't hit push-ups. Instead, he got on the tree on a branch and started doing pull-ups. Let's get it, Landon. I remember that.
All the drunk brokies on the other side were looking at him like, we're looking at all of us like we were crazy. Wait, drunk brokies?
Yeah,
I didn't say that. I meant the educated youth of America, the college youth. You know what I mean? Forgive me.
Oh yeah, bro. I understand.
Hey, the spiritual realm, I want you to think of it like this. How many of you guys have ever ordered something from Amazon? Anyone? Yeah, I know. You don't have to say it. So, just like you ordered something from Amazon, like you place an order, just how real that is, that's how real you can place an order in the spiritual realm for anything you want. Right? You want to impact thousands of people through a live stream, you could do that. You want to get a new house, you could do that. You want to get a new car, you could do that. You want to see better success in your life, you could do that. You just have to order it, right? And then you have to make sure the conditions are right for that to come into the physical realm. So it's a bit crazy, right? To think of it, think of that. Most people would, call you crazy. I think they would like martyr people for having these type of thoughts, right? But you can place your order, and then if you can patiently wait while making sure the conditions are right, that order will be delivered to you just as real as your Amazon order will be delivered to you. Trust me, I have a notebook that I've journaled in. I've created my entire life within that journal first, and then it became the reality. Lights fire in the house.
What's up, Lights Fire?
Did you hear that? I created my life in a couple of notebooks in the spiritual realm, and then it all of a sudden just bam, straight to the physical realm. Try it.
You became what you wanted to be, and therefore you attracted it to you.
John, did I not show you at times things that I was writing that I was saying I have, yes, that I did not clearly did not have?
Yes, dude. 100%.
And do I have those things today?
Yes. Yep.
In abundance or lack?
In abundance.
Do I have more than I was writing or less than I was writing? Or about, what is it?
I would say more. Definitely.
It really works.
Absolutely.
It really works.
Everything,
so
yep.
Some of you guys are in the position I was in like not too long ago where it's like, that sounds good. I've heard people, but I don't even think it's real anymore. I legit know it's real at this point. So it's happened in my life. It can happen in yours. We are created by the Creator. You have the power to create. We're made in His likeness, right? Made in His image. So you can go out there and create anything you want, just like Him.
Amen.
Any tips on being disciplined to your trading plan? Yeah, if you don't be disciplined to your trading plan, you'll never make money, King. Never. Ever. Maybe one day, but you'll lose it the next. So that was really the only tip I needed. It's like, guess what? It don't work otherwise. You're either disciplined to the trading plan or it doesn't work. It doesn't make money. So now you got to think, well, do I want to make money or do I want to, kind of keep like blowing these accounts? Which one's funner? Which one's my goal? And then you go, okay, well, I want to make money. So then boom, you just got to be disciplined, bro. From this point forward, you're a disciplined trader. That's it. That's the new you. All 2025.
Yep.
From today on,
say, bro,
you are a disciplined trader.
How you do one thing's how you do everything too, bro. I would say, start to be disciplined in other areas of your life too. Like going to the gym or eating clean, whatever that may be. But discipline in life. Like if you can be disciplined in life, it will just show off in your trading as well. Definitely. And yeah, you got a goal. It's guaranteed. The goal is yours. It's guaranteed. Like Nick's talking about, you just got to do what's required of you to get it. If you do what's required, you'll guaranteed get it.
Yeah, to be a profitable trader, you're required to be disciplined to the profitable trading plan. It can all be that simple.
Yep, and it's just like you can't have a fire without the wood, right? You got to get the wood ready to get the fire, and it's like you can't have consistent income without discipline. Like discipline comes and then the consistent income comes, right? So understand the formula, and the recipe of what you want here.
Yep. Why am I off to such a great year? Why does my trade Zello look like so amazing? Because I have not deviated. And the one time I did deviate, I paid the price this month, right? So this day I deviated. And look how early in the year it was. Look how easy it was to slip, right? But that's when I had a conversation with myself and I said, no, we're not going to do this, right? It's a brand new year. We're not doing that. And I got myself together and strung together a really, really solid month for the most part. So probably one of the best months I've ever had, right? Why? Because I have not deviated from the profitable playbook anytime outside of the 8th. That was it. Other than that, I have stayed in line, like in check, militant on the plan. So that's how you get profitable, is you truly have to stick to the profitable plan. The moment you break it, the market will let you know. Nope, you're breaking it. Trust me, you can't get away with it. Yeah, start small. Yep. Yeah, man, you gotta, that's how you start confidence and all, really gain confidence, all that. It's like, you know, every day we make promises to ourselves and we say, you know what, man, I'm tired of looking like this. I need to start eating better. I'm gonna start eating better. And then you don't start eating better, right? And that just tarnishes your self-image. Like, that just puts a damper on your confidence, right? But when you say, I'm tired of looking like this, I need to put together a plan, I need to eat better, I need to go to the gym a little bit, and then you start taking action on that, your confidence soars. And then all of a sudden now you're being disciplined with your diet. All of a sudden you're being more disciplined in your trading, and you're being more disciplined in your exercise, and you're being more disciplined with your money management. All of a sudden things just become like, start to come together a little bit. But it really starts with keeping those promises that you're making to yourself. Because if you keep lying to yourself, aka keep scamming yourself, your subconscious mind will not believe anything you say. Actually, it'll believe that you're not serious about what you're saying because of the last X amount of times that you told yourself you were going to do it and you didn't. So now when you're ready to go, you go, I'm going to do this, man. Your subconscious mind says, shut up. Shut up, right? And then you got to be like, no, you shut up. This time I'm serious. Right? And you got to go after it, and you got to physically take action. And then all of a sudden it'll begin to come together, you know? So take it for what it's worth.
Facts, dude.
But all I know is, hey, when I'm disciplined in the gym, guess where else I'm disciplined? My diet. Right? I'm not trying to have a really good day at the gym and go mess it up. Right? So they correlate, right? Or if I'm eating good, I'm like, yo, I want to go work out. I want to make sure like I'm capitalizing on these gains, right? This lean, clean eating. So how you do anything is how you do everything, like John said.
Yep, and with discipline and trading comes patience, right? They kind of go hand in hand in being a great trader, patience and discipline. And Warren Buffett, right, famously said that the market's designed to transfer money from the impatient traders and put it in the hands of the patient trader. So understand, by being patient and disciplined, you're just separating yourself from the vast majority of amateur traders, right? As we know, who are all failing, who are all struggling, right? So it's all about that separation as well here.
Facts. Chola, my man. Topstep doesn't work in Europe. I'm pretty sure they do. I think they do. Chola, what's goody? Yeah, non-negotiables. You know, how many of you guys got non-negotiables that you really stay disciplined to on a day-to-day basis? I mean, that's what kind of keeps you accountable, you know, to your goals.
That action's the attraction. It's one thing to think about something, it's another to take action on it, right? I mean, to attract it, yes, we attract through our thoughts, but we got to take action on that knowledge that we got, right? So we can attract that result we want. Actions, baby.
Yo, no way. Watching two streams, one said shut up, the other said no, you shut up. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Wow, damn.
It's vibrations, you know what I mean? Shut up. No, you shut up. Yes, Gotham. That's all we're doing. We're executing flawlessly. And we're not taking any cheap trades for the most part. We're taking good trades that line up, that correlate with the higher time frame. A lot of these trades have taken place in London session where the price action has just been so mint. Just like almost too easy in London.
Almost like it's handing out the setups. Like, yo, here's a setup.
Like, I did an elite call
setup
with,
for you. Setup for you.
Yeah, I did an elite call with Magnus yesterday, and it's like, it was, every trade was just like, bro, it just was handed to us. It was just literally handed to us, like almost like if it was just too easy. 4 hour, 15-minute, correlating perfectly with volume, and just like throwing us onions, just perfect.
Literally. New York, they want to close with no top wicks. They want to drive with no bottom wicks. New York's been a little tricky.
New York is, yo, not gonna lie, this has been New York. This sums up New York session over the last 2.5 months. Right here.
Yeah.
Right here. Right in the box.
Literally, man.
Thank you, Mrs. Lippy.
Hey, just know though, New York will be cooking up though. Definitely.
Hey, New York Open just popped, you know what I mean? That was pretty good. But other than that, just nothing. Nothing.
New York's been getting better, definitely.
Did I take a trade in London? No, I didn't. I took this buy here. So I seen this pack runner here. Boom. Took a buy before this candle closed. And literally in 1 minute, this thing shot up and hit TP. Like, so quick that I was literally, like, yeah, just walked away from it, went back, and it was, I was out the trade.
Bro, I wanted to be in that with you, man. That freaking no topic. Again, the New York session closing with no topic.
Yeah, I didn't realize that. I'm activated in here, and then it closed without a wick, and then literally just 1 minute, right up. Have my TP right here. Right there. What's the difference between inverted celeries and fake outs? So, okay, cool. So this would be like an inverted celery, right? So let's say we start coming down here. Let me get the solid one. Boom, we start coming down here, right? Start moving down, and then all of a sudden this next candle, it stays here, right? So it stays here, but it looks like this. So it never closed below for a fake out. And by the way, it doesn't really matter. This candle could be bullish as well, just like the celery play itself, right? It doesn't matter what the candle closes. What's more important is the size of the body, which if you see here is pretty small. You need a small body, you need a small top wick, and you need a large exhaustion wick to the downside, right? And as long as it closes above the range here, the next candle, when it breaks the high, will typically push up. So that's all it is. So the reason that it's considered like a new one is because, let's say 1.5 years ago, even if the candle closed like that, I would still wait for this, right? And then take the buy. But the issue with that is when there's high volume, so let's say this is NY Open, London Open, you know, things like that. You're not going to get that nice little candle like that. Like, this ain't happening, right? Beautiful, perfect little candle for you to buy off of. A lot of times during that volume push, you're going to break the high and start moving, right? And then sometimes what would happen is you have this territory to cover, but all of a sudden by the time that candle closes, it looks like this. So where we were waiting for maybe a little support like that, during London Open, the candle's going to be large. You know, it's not going to be a small candle, especially the 30-minute time frame. So that's where you go in and you look for impulse trades. And that's been the best look for me in terms of like an impulse trade when you're already bullish, right? You're already bullish, and here you're just ranging or whatever. But even if this was in a trending market, like even if price was trending, like forget about the range here. Like this, who cares, right? Let's just say we were kind of moving up. Yeah, we were just trending up anyway. you can still look for that play. All right, let's just say like, boom. I'm gonna just draw one candle for the save it. Right, say you're moving up. You can take that regardless whether you're actually in the trending market. It seems to work better and quicker. So when you're in a range though, like then it's a little tougher because you're still in a range. So that range has to be tradable. So yeah, so that's an inverted celery. This is a fake out. So let's say now, like, because I think the question was what's the difference, right? So this would be more so of a fake out where you actually get a closure below, right? And then a closure back above. So if we get a closure back above now, and again, London open, all that stuff's coming in and we're bullish, well, I'm going to want to take this buy here. Right, so that's the difference between the two when it comes to like the aesthetics of it.
Very good point, bro.
What up, Ayush? Morning, bro.
That has all to do with candlesticks.
Candlesticks and higher time frame direction. Yep, pretty much.
Yes. And volume, right?
And volume, yeah. If you notice, that's all we talk about: candlesticks, higher time frame direction, ranges, and volume. That's it.
Literally.
Nasty, nasty. So is Oanda still moving down, eh? Yo, why does Alea talk like she's from like the UK? No lie, my daughter talks like she's from the UK. She's like, I can't do it, Dad.
Australian.
I can't do it. I'm like, what do you mean you can't do it? Like what?
Yo. Watching too
So
much
funny.
movie.
It's so funny.
Yeah. That is hilarious. Ask her father.
We don't
Here on
talk
the
like
day.
that. That's too funny. Yo, I'm telling you, that's Bluey, man. Bluey. Bluey got these American kids talking like Australians. Peppa? Yeah, Peppa. I stopped playing Peppa because Peppa's a little snotty little, you know what I mean.
She's a George.
I don't like the way Peppa talks to her parents. Sometimes.
She's like, screw you, Mom.
So I cut it out. We cut the Peppa.
Nice, bro.
Now we got the pasta. It's like a British accent too, yeah.
Yo,
Peppa
Nick,
be like,
bro,
shut
did
up,
you
Mom. What? Wait, what? Got the dad acting like a big old dumb idiot, you know what I mean?
He has a big old belly.
Big old fat pig. Oh man.
They getting some message out there, for sure.
Bottle of water. Peppa's rude. Hey, look at this. A lot of people agree with me that Peppa is a little snotty. You know what?
Yeah, Bluey's definitely better.
Yo, Norbin, I had that issue too last night. So I passed that other 50K combine yesterday. So I couldn't activate my account. I just hit up their support team and they handled it. It took like a couple hours, but it was good to go after that.
Bird, I was gonna ask you, dope, lovely.
Yeah, it worked. She's one of the lads. Bluey's, yeah, Bluey. I like Bluey, man. Bluey's pretty fire.
Bluey's goated.
So the 4-hour time frame here is giving us trouble, right? This is the time frame that's probably the most confused right now, is it just doesn't know what to do, right? Like this candle here closing without a bottom wick, and the next one closing like just exhaustion, and it just doesn't know quite what to do at this point. So That's basically your range right now. It's confused. It's confused like
Yeah, you got
Peppa.
that. You had that weird doji candle closure too. Makes sense.
Yeah. What up, Wags? Yanosh in the house.
Let's go, Wags. Let's
What
go,
up,
Yanosh.
See Melly in the building. See Melly.
Melly.
How you doing?
Let's go, brother.
Let's get it. We're gonna have a great day here today, see Melly. Big day.
Yes, you are.
Hey, what up, Super? What up, what up?
Hey, Super.
I watch more Bluey than the kids. Oh, man. You ain't lying. How many pips do I target normally? I don't, I just target the range. So whatever the range typically is, that's what I tend to target. So if the range is like 25 pips, like I'll target like 20 pips. I like to trade in ranges that are at least like 30 pips, because if I'm in like a 30 pip range, then I know in most occasions when volume's coming in, I could snag at least like 15 to 20, right? In like a 35 pip range. So yeah, that's about it. Like if I see all this clean traffic here, sometimes I just want to look left. I want to go, you know, what's over here? And then like in today's case, like I was looking to target there. So I'm not even sure what that was. That was probably like 20 pips. Like 20 pips. It could range. Yeah, it may range. This is definitely a solid range right here. Yeah. Solid range.
We got Fomc too today.
Yeah,
so,
we may range till like 1 p.m. Who knows?
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah, 4 hour needs direction. What's up, the board trader in the house? What's good? Happy New Year. All of you guys who I haven't seen, Happy New Year. Hope you guys are well. Hope you're well. Hope you're well.
Board trader?
Miss Rachel?
Hopefully we make trading less boring.
Yeah, Miss Rachel. Miss Rachel, we only watched the old Miss Rachel. After she signed that contract, I don't know what happened, man. So, yeah, the old Miss Rachel we stick to, but anything new Miss Rachel, we keep that away.
Damn, I didn't know there was a new Miss Rachel.
You know how, you know what happens when they make it big, you know?
Absolutely.
And they get the knock knock for the millies, for the millies, under a couple circumstances. Yeah, but the beginning Miss Rachel was pretty good. I feel like she's good at helping them like talk.
What's up, Ace?
You gotta protect your children out here, gang. You gotta protect your children. No lie. Go read Outwitting the Devil. I'm listening to it right now on audio. Listen to it if you have to. The first target is the children.
Yo.
Go listen to how the plan is devised. I used to watch her. Yeah. Am I worried about Raja trading off Oanda? Absolutely not. Absolute. So like that wouldn't affect me at all. Yeah, that wouldn't affect me at all. The concepts are still the same. You know, price action's price action.
Whichever chart you're looking at, just trade that chart. Chart to chart.
One hour London Open. 1 hour London Open. Which one? This one here, right? No, where was that? Yeah, this one we were trying to get in, but we couldn't couldn't get it. We were looking at the onion here, but this candle gave no wick, so we let it go. Yeah, no wicks on the candles, made it tough. We were in there, you know what I mean? And like, I think London session today was really good. Like, it was one of the few days where we didn't take a trade, and we were waiting for specific things to take place, and they didn't. And I think everyone did an excellent job at being patient and disciplined, and really like taking that in. You know what I mean? Like, it sucks, right? When you're like, yo, I know we're moving bullish, but there's no way to get in. Of course, sure, you can press buy, right? And like, that can happen, but that wouldn't be kind of like the systematic approach. So I was explaining it in London, kind of like I break it down in kids terms, right? Like little Kingston, right? This is my littlest guy. He just turned 1 year old, and he's all pumped up about life, and we're all pumped up for him, and he's just beginning to walk, right? And he's getting it down now. So now he'd be trying to walk around. So let's say I'm in the kitchen, right? And Kingston sees me. He's going to start walking over to me, right? And it takes him a little longer, right? He's got these little legs. He just be wobbling over there. He might even fall, but he picks himself, whatever. And by the time he makes it over to the kitchen, I'm walking out the kitchen back into the office, right? That's going to take him another, I don't know, some time to get to. And he's thinking, damn, like this guy's just I'm going there, and he's just walking right by me. And then I'm walking over here, and he's walking right by me. And I can't even like get his attention. That's kind of how London session was tonight, and that's how trading is going to be sometimes, right? So you're not banking on the move, like any move. You want your move at the same time. Like, so even if you know volume's going somewhere, unless your criteria lines up, it's tough to take that trade, because you know you got to journal that trade, and if you lose that trade, you know you broke your plan there. You know what I mean? So sure, it's all fine and dandy when you win, but what happens when you break your plan and you lose? Right? It's very, very annoying.
And on those trades where you break your plan, on those trades where you break your plan, you lose, you know why you lost too. So now you're just making the same mistake over and over again, which doesn't help anyone, right?
Yeah.
I seen that you guys were looking to get in the buys, but we had no bottom wick, right? That London Open move.
Yeah, and like if that's just a 15-minute candle, then I don't really mind the wick not being there. But when it's a new 1 hour, 30, and 15, then you got to be a little cautious there. You need a wick, right? But if the 1 hour, let's say the 1 hour and the 30 are already open, and they already made their own bottom wicks, and then you got like a 15-minute candle like coming in, I don't really care for like a wick at that point. Like it's probably just going to get going based off of the 30-minute. So being that one was a new 1 hour, 30, all that, I would like to see a wick there. Where was it? Right here, right? Yeah.
That 1 hour's actually looked solid. Solid?
It looks solid?
With that inverted celery on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, no bottom wick, no entry.
Yeah, the New York Open gave a great push. Yeah, notice how the last 3 trades we took, they were all at New York Open. Or last 4, it was 8 and 8. 3 were at 8. 1 was at 8:30. Yeah, this was the trade that I took here. I mean, I'm probably just gonna trade the XFA on another trade here, but just happened to catch profits in literally 1 minute. We haven't really done much since then, though. This 1 hour support. So if there's no clean traffic below a 1 hour support, or that 1 hour candle closes below, if there's no clean traffic, then nah. Typically, if there's no clean traffic, then I'm not going to take a trade in that zone. I'd have it marked off as like a no trade zone.
We always look for clean traffic to trade with.
So
That's a hard rule for me in my trading.
Yeah. In this case, we got clean range, right? So we got pretty clean range coming down. So we've tried to get down quite a few times here with no success. So 4 hours, troublesome.
Yeah, 4-hour closure really will set us up here for
By the way,
more information.
This is typical pre-FOMC. This is nothing new. Yeah.
Very true.
Could expect this today. 2 p.m.
First
Eastern
FOMC
though.
of the year.
Yeah, 2 p.m. Eastern though. You should get a big breakout. Big breakout. We'll be in the clubhouse for FOMC today for those that want to join. What time do we start streaming? Like 7:45. We have the clubhouse though, where we stream London session, pre-New York, New York session, and Asian session. So if you guys have different like times that you trade and you want to trade with us, we got the clubhouse in here. There's a whole nother. There's 94 people over here in this other chat right now. So it's a whole team community. A lot of people winning at high levels, and we're happy to see it. So if New York session isn't your session that you like to trade, come vibe with us on the London, Asian, and the pre-New York. We in the club.
Lock in a session and let's get it. Let's get busy.
Yes, sir. Lock in a session and come get busy with the squad. Because we are getting busy. That's for sure.
I'm telling you right now, every single person in the clubhouse is locked in right now. I feel the energy. Nick feels the energy. We're locked in.
It's another level.
And that's how we want to be, locked in, flow state, right? Just like Nick has taught us. Flow state.
Yeah. Sebastian wheeling and dealing here today.
That boy eating, Sebastian. Let's get it.
And that's the big thing about the clubhouse. Like, even same thing as the YouTube, but like, we're trying to teach y'all how to trade. Like how to see the markets, take trades without me, like without my analysis. You know what I mean? Just becoming your own independent trader. So that's what you see a lot of too, is just other people taking ideas that look good for them on pairs maybe that are other than gold. And yeah, I love to see it. Love it.
Yep.
Let's make it great again. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
All right, bet, bro. Let's get it, Caroline. DJ Scratches, let's go. Yeah, so YouTube, how we feeling? How's everyone's trading day going today? How'd you guys do? Hasn't been much for me today. Patient day. Nothing in Asia, nothing in London, nothing in New York, nothing in pre-New York. We avoided a fake out of pre-New York, so that was a W. But no moves yet. And that's what we talk about, being patient, being disciplined, just doing what we're required to do, right? To be a consistently profitable trader, you got to do what's required of you, right? So to get that outcome, I'm being patient and disciplined to my plan, right? I'm doing what's required of the trader to get that result. So just another day doing the job, keeping it simple. What's up, Diogo FX? Hello. No, I wasn't in that trade that Nick took on NY Open. I was looking to get in though on the breakout candle, but we closed with no top wick and we drove with no bottom wick, so I didn't get in anything there. So yeah. Scalp and gold, oil, US 500. Nice, dude. Let's go. Catching banners all day. Love to hear it. Love it. Go work, rinse and repeat.
Get busy in the club, said Sean Paul and 50. Yeah.
Nice, Conrad. Doesn't it feel good, bro? Doesn't it feel good, like, to be patient for a plan? Like, doesn't it feel good not to be revenge trading, over trading? Like, being red on the day. It feels good to be patient and disciplined and follow the plan.
Someone said the other day, like, yo, I followed the plan all week. It was my best trading week. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. Look at that. Let's go.
He did what was required of him.
Holy. Hey, I have a question.
Yeah, Ronnie.
How did that 4-hour candle close on Oanda? Is it still in the range? I'm curious. Pre-FOMC here. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, I mean, I just got that one buy. That was it.
See, even me and Nick, right, had the same idea. Just I didn't have an entry. He did. You know, he was in. I wasn't. But we both followed the plan.
Oh, what's up, Aaron? Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Same to you, brother.
Nice, Aaron.
Nice clubhouse. Nice. Oanda closed with a big rejection to the downside, but still outside or inside? So still ranging. No trade so far, no trade. Nice. Yeah, yesterday was wild. Yesterday we just continued running up. Just continued on up, man. So anytime we're rallying like this, I no longer will take like let's say like a lot of times, like when you're in a rally, price gonna throw these red candles just to get sellers in the game. That's all those red candles are for. So they're little opportunities to liquidate traders, right? Grab them here and then stop them out up here. So I know there were so many people got hit yesterday trying to call the top. Trying to call it here, break of the lows, entries, bam. Trying to call it here, resistance, nothing. Trying to call it up here, nothing. So same deal over here. Remember over here, I think that was Tuesday, we were looking for buys, right? Looking for buys, and then finally we got bearish down here. But yeah, anyone who tried to just get the buys without confirmation, I mean, they just got just demolished. So, gotta wait. In the range? Gotcha. Oh, below the range. That's interesting. Close below the range, and then this chart, you're at the top of the range. That's crazy. Wild. Someone show me in the clubhouse, please. My chart colors? Yeah. There you go. You want to see the canvas too? Here, take a little picture of this, or you could always go back to it. And then I'll go over here. Canvas. Let's take a look. 4-hour time frame. Gotcha. Oh wow, so you did close below that last candle here. So you got obviously like resistance here. You got support right here. But I mean, if you drag it over like that, then you never closed above yet. Oh, I'm sorry, below yet. So that could be your pre-FOMC 4-hour range right there. why'd I choose futures? Just because I'm here in the U.S. I was trading my own capital. Decided to put it into a futures broker. From there, that's when I learned about the futures prop firms, and I said, oh wow, you know, they're only $50 or $100. It's not like 100K is $100, right? So it just made more sense being a trader from the US. No, not too much like spread, not too much like slippage, everything regulated. So yeah, those are some reasons. Let's see. All right, later, my friend. Later.
Yeah, Toby, I mean, usually I'm always using previous candle stops unless the previous candle stop's too big, right? And the TP is too small, then when the previous candle stop's too big, that's when I'll use the current candle stop. I usually like to size down too a little bit with the current candle stops just because they're a bit more aggressive, but they're both really good at the same time.
Also, like some intuition goes into all that too. You know, like you make like a smaller wick and like there's high volume and you're starting to break the highs and you're like, yeah, we're just gonna keep it right here, nice and tight. So sometimes there's only chart time can solve some problems that, you know, without getting the experience, you don't really understand it quite fully. So that's why,
unless you got the experience.
Yeah, the chart time is really important. Massive rejection on the downside. If we take a buy in future, then sell in Oanda. Yeah. I guess so. I guess that's what we should do today. Yeah, unfortunately the charts are different. I'm not that guy. I don't know how to solve that problem. Yeah, it's unfortunate.
Not that guy.
All right, look at this 4-hour fill in the wick now.
Trying to break through those resistance.
So then that means that this 4-hour candle is making a top wick here on Oanda.
I don't even want to know what the 4-hour on Oanda looks like.
I just showed you. Oh, you didn't see it?
it?
All right, don't even look.
All right, bet, yeah. I don't even want to see it.
Yo, Rafi.
Yo, what's happening?
It's Gucci.
What's up, Rafi? My brother.
How you doing, Johnny James? How you feeling today?
Less than highly favored, man. How you feeling?
Man, feeling great, bro. Just doing things here, just doing research, you know. Trying to get better every day.
Rafi's busy over there, setting up a new life.
Yep.
Yeah.
Gotta get crib, car, find out where you're gonna live.
Figured out also, you know, like I was talking here with Sebastian, you know, it's like, is it gonna be trading London and New York sustainable long term? Because, yeah, you know, like health is very important, man. Like you're making money, but you're sick, you know, no
That's
good.
not wealth.
Exactly. So decisions here, you know, it's like, okay, so what do you want to do?
You want to trade London or you want to trade New York? What you gonna do?
Right.
New York's gonna be cooking, bro. I know London's cooking right now, but New York will be cooking.
Yeah, it's just crazy because majority of my data is being collected in London, you know?
Yeah, that's true. You've been in London almost every day.
Yeah, so it's just like, bro, it's like me jumping into a whole different puddle, you know, and like not knowing the waters, basically.
Yeah. Yep.
So it seems like, wow, kind of like step back in a way, but you know, it's part of the journey, man.
Part of the journey. You gotta fit. You got a new schedule. You basically moving on the opposite side of the world now, so it's a whole new like routine to
Different
schedule.
challenge.
Right, whole
Different
new
challenge
thing, yeah.
here.
It's
Whole
good
new
though,
way
it's
of
good.
living.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cause like right now it's normally you're in nighttime now, but now it's
Right.
what 8 a.m. for you.
Yeah, it's 8 a.m. here, yeah.
Yeah, wow.
You know, it was like 9 p.m. for this guy like 2 weeks ago.
Right.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Definitely will take adjustments.
Yeah, absolutely.
You see, like, here's the thing, like, that's why you want to think ahead, you know what I'm saying? Because you could pretend that, oh, you got to figure it out, but then you see that your health starts taking a hit. And, you know, and then it's like too late. Now you have to actually kind of like still do the same thing. So it's just like, all right, so what's going to be the smartest thing to do here long term for the family, for the other businesses, for trading, you know, to be the best performer that you can be?
Yeah.
Because that's the other thing. Like, I don't want to be like sleeping throughout the day or be groggy or, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, you want to be sharp.
Yeah. No, absolutely. So what are you thinking?
I don't know. I can make that decision right now. I mean,
Yeah.
this is basically a week me doing this schedule.
Yeah.
What day is today? Wednesday?
Today's
about a
Wednesday. Yeah.
Yeah, about a week.
So if you're feeling tired and you're feeling groggy, then that's probably some answers, right?
No.
Or if you are.
I'm not feeling like that.
Oh,
But
okay.
what I'm reading here on sleeping cycles is over time you age a lot quicker. You know what I'm saying? Like, and that's what I'm thinking. Is like, yeah, I don't want to. I've been taking care of my health way too long, bro. To, you know what I'm saying? To be doing that kind of stuff. So,
pushing my age up, whatnot.
bro, how old do you think I am?
Damn, that's a good. Never even thought about that.
To be honest, yeah, I never thought about that. Interesting.
I'm gonna be 40 next month.
Okay, I was gonna probably say 35.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? So do not feel 40. Do not look like it. But that's just, you know, like what I was talking in the session this weekend. That's your mental capital. I've been persevering a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been working to keeping it in good shape. And it's just like, am I gonna over leverage in the next couple of months, couple of years? And you see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, you just gotta be, you know, like, for example, from my standpoint, like, what is gonna be the best? Just London session, or maybe London session then power hour. Who knows, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
True.
yeah, there's just adjustments that need to be made and decisions to be made, which it takes time, you know.
Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Maybe even a little bit of sample sizing too, right? If you're new to New York and you want to train New York, or you're thinking about it, little sample sizing, right? Chilling, watching, studying.
Well, no, because the 9:30, we've been doing that for a long time, you know. I've been doing that, but like anything after 9:30 cheat code, I don't look at that. I don't look at anything. So
Got it.
yeah, so that's what I'm thinking, you know, like what, when, and where.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Facts. Yep. Through solitude, we'll figure it all out, right?
Yeah. No, and I'm grateful that, you know,
That's true. You could go to bed
I
earlier
don't have
too.
to be on a schedule, you know, like I can do my own things and I can choose when to do this. But
Yeah, sample size it. See how you feel 2 weeks out. You know what I mean? If you're tired and it's feel like unproductive, then you got to really make a decision.
exactly.
If not, just keep going. Don't think too hard.
Yep.
As long as you're not tired, just keep running. Don't worry, you might age.
Until you get
You might
tired.
age quicker, but you'll live more. Right, chat?
Facts.
You might age
Absolutely.
quicker, but you'll be living more because you'll be up and at it and getting things done.
Yep.
Yeah.
I mean, at the same time though too, right? Charts are charts. So I know each session is a little different. Each session has different times of volumes and stuff, but at the same time, we're still doing the same thing, right? Looking for these same setups on the technical charts.
Right.
Yeah.
Go. Two a.m. to 11 p.m. Sounds like a good full day of work.
Yeah.
That's Nick's schedule right there. 2 a.m. to like 10:30 p.m.
Pretty much. Pretty much. And I feel like I'm aging in reverse, so I don't know, man.
Maybe that's the cheat code.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I mean,
I don't know about Google, bro.
I'm 4 a.m. to 11 to like 11 p.m.
Soft. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I got 2 extra hours on Nick.
Yeah, I feel younger than I ever felt in my life.
Hey, let's go, Conrad. Nice.
Okay, Conrad. Okay.
Oh.
Smile for me. Smile for me. My man.
I'll send selfies.
Looking good over there in South Africa. How's the day looking?
Looking good, bro.
George. Damn. That picture got the most likes I ever seen in this Zoom chat. All right, Conrad.
Hey,
He's got a charm.
it's that charm, bro.
Hey, and everyone, can we go like Conrad's selfie real quick? Can we all give it a muscle up?
Come on now.
Nightbot is here.
Don't be shy now.
Nightbot, what you got for us today? What you got for us today? What's on the menu? What's up, Captain? Good to see you, man. Happy New Year. Hope you're well.
Captain, how you doing?
So is Oanda still going down, or what's the deal?
One, let me check what's one they're doing.
Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Don't worry.
Don't worry about it.
Yes, absolutely. Let's take a look. This is Oanda here. Let's take a look.
Oh, you got it?
Took this buy, break of the highs, waited for a bottom wick to be created, buy stop on the high, secured 80%. Very nice. Damn, yeah, that's a strong candle too. What time frame is this? 30 minute. Let's see something here. Wow. Hey, to be honest though, it's not that much different. Like, you can make it out, right? Like, you can still make it out. Like, you got some range right here, resistance here. So you can still make it out. A lot of times, like, if you really know like how to read price, you can kind of figure it out looking at Oanda too. Outside of earlier when it was just completely doing the opposite. No, I think we're still good on this one here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Topstep refreshes the contract sizes automatically. $15-minute celery on Oanda to the downside. Wow. That's crazy different than what I see.
Has Oanda been lying to us the last 4 years?
So it looks like Topstep has been having some dashboard issues over the last like 24 hours. So I would hit up their support team. Like, I passed a combine yesterday of 50K and like they never sent me, or they sent me the activation link to activate it, but I couldn't activate it. It like led me to nothing, saying that my account was like invalid. So I just emailed their customer service, and then they got it all figured out. Give me a sec, I'll be right back.
Yeah, XL, just to give it some time. Definitely hit up support too. I know Topstep has a phone number as well you can call. I've called them a couple times actually. To access that phone number, I believe if you go into like your bank and where Topstep takes out your income or takes out your fee, then their number should be there when they take out your fee. So yeah, check with your bank and the number should be in there. You can give them a call too if you don't want to hit up the support team. They have a solid support team as well. What's up, Peter? This is the futures gold chart on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, Rafi, you were in London today?
Yeah.
How have you been liking it? Like being on that schedule like so far and
No, it doesn't
trading
bother me.
London? Yeah.
It doesn't bother me at all. But I'm just like whenever, you know, I don't know, I'm just thinking, you know, like I don't like disrupting, you know, patterns and stuff like that. And I'm just seeing, you know, I'm thinking like, is this gonna be sustainable long run? You know, like I'm just asking myself questions.
I love it, bro.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
the best way. That's the best way to figure out solutions, bro. Like just meditating with yourself, you know, like thinking, just looking, figuring out solutions. Absolutely.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, I'm not making a decision just now, but I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Is it necessary to trade both sessions? Do I want to do that?
What's the
Which
pros
one
and
do I like
cons?
best? You know what I'm saying? It's just like, yeah, exactly.
It's like a endless cycle kind of to get a lot of information to get like a solution after repeatedly asking yourself questions leading to the solution.
It's definitely not
you don't
necessary.
Need to be in both sessions, you know what I'm saying?
Nah.
Yeah.
One session will do.
One session and good enough. Yep.
And I feel like for me, I feel like the London session is better. And I like it better. So like that's the question, that's the answer right there.
Yeah. Right. I like the idea too of maybe like continuing to trade London and then like sample size in New York just in case, you know, you want to leave an opportunity open or like, you know, I mean, opportunity for your schedule to trade London, New York as well. Collect data while you're continuing to trade London.
Right.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Jalen, yeah.
Yeah. J. Coop, right?
Yeah, bro, not everybody can do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you can, it doesn't mean anything. It's not like you're better than or worse than anybody. It's just some people can, some people can't. For me is, you know, like I want to be sharp. You know what I'm saying? So, and I don't know. I haven't done it. You know, like I wouldn't know until like I've been doing this for a year. You know, like it's just like trading. Like you need to take 100 trades and then you figure it out. This is my first week, but I'm just thinking like, okay, well, whenever the wife comes in town and, you know,
it's over.
My baseball stuff and, you know, it's like, is this going to be realistic?
Wifey ain't going to want you leaving that bed. 2 o'clock in the morning.
No, I'm just saying. Yeah, no, I'm just saying like, I don't want to be disrupting people's timing and, you know what I'm saying? So.
Trying to balance it out with life. Yep.
Yeah, and I guess, you know, everybody has a different point of view. You know?
Yep.
So I'm just thinking like, for me, I think London will be the best. That's
London's good.
Coming into
nice.
thinking.
Nice.
Yeah, that's right, Stephen B. Stephen B might have some tips for you. I think he a few times a week. Yeah, like what about trading London? Or if you want to keep London your main session, but like if you wanted to trade New York, you could trade London on days like let's say you got red folder news at 8:30, you trade London, and then maybe you get some rest, and then now you know you don't have to be at the desk until like after 8:30 for New York.
That's what I was
So
thinking.
some people do that too.
9, like
Yeah,
9
starting at
New
9.
York
Yep.
Session.
Yep.
Yeah, I like that. Which is NY open for you and for us, right? 9. Oh wait, not because.
Wait a second. No, so it'll be 8
Oh wait,
a.m. for me.
no, I'm sorry. Okay.
Because I'm 1 hour behind, so
Yeah, okay. Forgot.
try to get that 9:15, 9:30 cheat code.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to figure it out. So yeah, so like London, you do London, and then skip pre-New York, New York, and then just show up for New York stock open, basically.
Nice.
Yeah.
Which that's what I've been doing, basically. So there you go. There's the answer right there. You guys help me out to figure it out.
There you go.
It's like
Done
so it's
deal.
basically the same schedule in a way.
Yeah.
Better than I deserve. How can I help you out today? All right. There you go. There you go.
That's what thinking will do. Thinking will solve problems.
Bro, it's crazy because I just woke up today thinking about that.
Yeah, right.
You know, I'm like, how can I be the most efficient without jeopardizing the health and, you know, still being sharp? And because, bro, when I was with the baseball guy, you know, when I was working big league guy, bro, I was sleeping like 2 and 3 hours a day, 2 or 3 hours a day, like very little sleep.
Sheesh.
And I was fine, you know, like I was running my own baseball facility and all that, and lessons and all that, but I could see the energetics I was lacking on some things. Like at the gym, I wasn't performing as well, you know. So like that's what I remember. I'm like, I was not as sharp when it comes to the physical. I remember that. So that's the reason why I'm so aware, you know. It's like I don't know if I want to go back to those times, because when I was in Bali, I was feeling a lot different. So, you know, having that level of awareness is going to help you to, what do I cut on and what do I do more of, you know?
Right. Yeah.
Level up, level up. So yeah, so 30-minute candle closing here, right? So it looks like we're getting a big rejection to this overall like rejection area here. So I did move my resistance up top to match the 30-minute time frame, and it looks like we're starting to reject that area. So looking at the 15 now, it's like, okay, if we reject here, right, are we going to range? Are we going to continue to play around here, or can we actually see a decent push down, right? So you have this main level right here, where I think if you get like a closure below, you could see a push down. So this candle didn't close below though, so that's pretty unfortunate. Now you did get a resistance here, right? So it's not a bad idea to maybe lower size and look for an entry possibly on the break of the low there. Let's take a look here. Yeah, I mean, not a bad trade, right? You got a rejections to the top side here, so I'm probably gonna have a sell stop for probably maybe one contract here.
Yeah, no, I wanted to see that candle close a bit stronger, but that exhaustion weight to the upside can have a big part in this trade.
Yeah,
I agree.
Dun, dun, dun. There was an inverted celery on Oanda. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Did you take it? Oh, you missed it. That's all right. At least you've seen it, spotted it, and now you got it for next time. So this is how I mess around with RR, right? So like, notice how I'm only going to go one contract here. So instead of me playing around with RR like this, like, oh, let me tighten up my stop and let me bring down my TP, I don't do it that way. And you probably don't hear this much from traders, but I tend to do it like size wise. So this is a trade where it looks good, but it doesn't line up fully with what I'm looking for, right? Then I'm going to go lower in my size, because I know that this one could be one that I'm more likely to maybe lose, right? So now if I lose, I only lose with one contract, right? With an L. Oh, sorry, that's, yeah. But let's say the conditions were perfect, right? And things really lined up, then I'm going to take a higher probability setup. I'm going to increase my size, right? So on that trade, I'm more likely to win that trade. Therefore, I'm going to use like 3 lots, right? Or even 5 lots. So this is how I play around with RR, where typically if I'm going to lose, it's going to be around 1. If I'm going to win, it's going to be a little bit more sized up, and that's how you make a 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1 without doing anything stupid that doesn't make sense, right? Like whatever, like, oh, you know what? It's right here, but that only equals 2-to-1. So let me do this, right? And just do things that just don't logically make sense to try and like have an RR out of something. So I like to use RR in terms of like size and conditions and all that. Swift coins? Oh, Swift coin? Oh, damn. I don't have any Swift coin. Should I be getting some or what? Chiefs are in the Super Bowl, right? I should pump the Swift coin.
Swift coin.
Crazy time we live in, man. Yeah, you also have the last like 20-25 minutes here of the 4-hour candle. So depending if this 4-hour candle wants to close back in the range for FOMC, then it's going to want to pull back now.
Yep. And we're at resistance. The 1 hour and 30-minute have no bottom wicks, or the 1 hour has no bottom wick, and that previous 30-minute has no bottom wick as well. And that 15's got an exhaustion wick on that bearish candle.
Yeah. Yeah, first Trump FOMC today. Yep. We'll see. I'm sure he's going to continue to harass Jerome Powell about cutting rates and all that, so should be an interesting year. I think they plan on 2 rate cuts this year. Yeah, daily, that's right. Daily also did tap that resistance area. Yep. So the daily in today's case doesn't have, I mean, technically this is where we could tap into before rejecting as well there. So yeah, of course we could fill the wick and all that, but that daily candle right there is officially tapped that resistance here. So that can also pull back, 4-hour pullback. 1 hour got no bottom wick. 30 no wick.
This makes a lot of sense.
Last
with the higher
30.
time frame, lower time correlation.
Yeah. A 30 closure back in the range 2 would be very nice.
Awesome.
So if you didn't want to take it off the 15, I don't blame you. You know, you can wait for a 30 closure and then take it, which may be better, right? If you see all the times we closed on the 30, we drove down. Closed on the 30, drove down. So
it's good to see the 30-minute coming up to fill the wick, and then breaking the lows would be nice too, as well.
Yeah. I gotta make 200 to pass the combine here. Okay. Lock yourself out. Nice, Dan. Yeah, don't get caught up in the FOMC madness. If it fills the wick and then breaks the lows, where is the stop going to be? Probably somewhere back above the range. Somewhere back in the range, 25, 30 pips. If we stay up there for a little bit longer, I may delete this, right, and then wait on the next 30-minute candle, because that will potentially give us better stops, right? So let's say this candle, even if this candle closes bullish, right, but just like weak bullish, like this, I would still like that stop loss there. And then wherever this candle makes a high and breaks the low, then I'll just put my stop there. Yeah, it would be nice to reject up here. So we'll see.
Yeah, because also too, if the 15-minute, right, if we wait for the next 15-minute candle to close, that will also be the second half of the 30-minute candle coming back down as well, which would be nice in terms of on the 30-minute.
Yeah.
That second half of that 30-minute candle coming down.
I agree. That might be the better
and then
vibe.
Again, and then that's the last 15 minutes too of the 4-hour, and we're playing at resistance right now as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna delete that. So like, if that happens, then I'm gonna go a little bigger. I'm gonna probably go like 3 lots on this trade instead of just 1, right? So if we get this candle to exhaust down, close weak, that means our 30-minute candle's about to come back down and flip and break its own low. So entry will be on the break of that low, and then see if we can get a push back in the range here. Because most likely you're gonna push back in the range pre-news here. So notice how no candle is closed really above these ranges yet. So most likely there'll be a fake out, right? Back in the range and then consolidation again for news, before news. Let's go, Dan. W. NQ. Let's take a look. Sheet. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Four-hour melting. Melting. Looks like we try to fill that gap there, but not yet. You probably get a pullback and then continuation. It's going to take time, though.
What's up, Purpose? Good morning, brother. Good morning.
Purpose. What's good?
Purpose.
Huge range. Huge.
What's up, Greenery?
Green.
Green.
Each. Greenery. Nah, damn, Rafi, you ignored green all morning?
No. What do you mean? Hold on. What do you say that? Hold on.
We do a little trolling.
Never, my guy.
It's all good. You didn't see him.
Never.
That can get crazy. It's all love, right? It's all love, Green. Nice, Gio. Awesome. Yeah, current candle stops work good. Yeah, Rafi too focused. Facts only bands.
Yeah, just texting some, just doing some business here on the other side.
Yeah, OGH. I think futures is calling too, bro. I don't know. I'm not trying to like tell traders, yo, get into futures, but I definitely recommend it. You know, you do your own thing, but yeah, that's what I recommend for sure. Nice, 3 minutes here. Goldie coming back down, so we got 3 minutes here for a 15 candle closure. This is good too. Last 15 minutes of the 4-hour candle coming down here, pulling back. We'll see. Yeah, 1 hour still got that no bottom wick. 30 minutes struggling to fill that wick. We're now rejecting, coming back down. That previous 30 minutes is no low on that candle. 15 potentially giving us some sort of resistance here with some steep wick rejections to the upside. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, Dominic, right? I mean, a lot of traders are saying that too. Like, yo, I need to get in futures. I need to get in futures. So that's why I recommend it. I think you know, you do your pros and cons list, but I think the pros outweigh the cons.
Bro, 5 to 8 pip spread. Dang.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's just not fair. That's not fair.
Bro, they just try to get an edge.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Right. Sorry, Chad, just looking at my charts right now.
Back down we come.
Looks like it.
Ooh, 30 broke the low there. See, I'm glad we deleted that. Let's see. How do we... Damn,
15
so...
closed doji.
Yeah, so you see how we're still in that range? So it's not looking that pretty here. Not looking that pretty. Really would have liked the closure. A little close below. Worst case, you wait on the 30 minute.
Yeah.
Where my tools at? Where my tools at? There they are. Yeah, so you're really looking now to see if this 30 here can close below the range. And if it can, then I think the sells look even better now.
Yeah, facts, dude. Facts.
Right, we never got that closure below, therefore you're still above, right? Like, because if you're looking at it from a bullish perspective here, right, you've closed above and now you're just retesting to potentially keep moving up, right? So there's still no valid sells yet, in my opinion, according to this chart. go. There you go. Where's the tools, man? Morning, babe. Hi. Huh? Where my tools at, Lele? Where my tools at? Where are they? My coloring. Ah, here it is. You like my arrows? There he is. All right.
Oh yeah, OGH Dominic, Energy. I know you guys are gonna love futures if you guys get in. Absolutely.
Victor said, "Yo, I'm trading both Forex and futures right now. That's trippy."
Okay, damn.
That's skill. Yeah, you got skill. Skill set right there. Yeah, that guitar is just one for the books, man. When you guys are like 50 years old, you're gonna run this plate, this soundtrack right here, and just be like, "Dang, those TT live streams, wow, nostalgic."
That sound and Alter always bring me back to TT.
I should start playing that soundtrack while I'm like driving.
Oh yeah, Energy. Sorry about that. I forgot you're already in futures.
Don't play with energy like that, bro.
And Energy, you've been loving it, right? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Let them know, energy. Don't be sorry. Be careful. Don't tell them watch your mouth.
All right, I'll be careful.
What are you doing, mister?
Dang, can you imagine Nick still streaming when he's 90?
9:30. Pull up at like 9:20. Out of here by like 9:40. It's either there or it's not. No, I know. I said I'll pull up at 9:20 though, and then trade to like 9:40, and then I'll just call it.
Dude, crazy.
I'll sit outside at the lake house, watch the grandkids rip the boats around. I'm up 1356 today. Nice, dude. That's like the same as me. 13. Oh, I thought mine was. I literally thought mine was 1354, but I got you beat, Futures Frank. I got you beat. Come on, man. $20 more. No, $30 more. Hero of the day. Hero of the day said, "I'll raise you one." He started raising. We started going profit for profit, man, in the clubhouse. Yeah, you can use 10 contracts on the 100K combine. Yep. All right, cool. 30-minute coming down here. So we just got to wait for that closure. Good.
Hey. That 1 hour, man. No bottleneck. Futures Frank, what's up, my man? Hey, Raj, I hope you're having a great day as well. Thanks, man.
You hear Nightbot? Hey, hey, hey. I see you. Daniel. My man.
Daniel, what's up, brother?
Alright, so if we get this closure, I'm going to stick around here. Might take some sells. If not, if we close back above, then it's a clubhouse vibe only for the rest of the day. Yeah, we'll clubhouse we'll run it back up around like 1 p.m. So we'll probably chill for a little bit today till like 11, and then 1 p.m. we'll come back and see if we can get anything off the press conference. What trade did I take today? I just took this buy here. Right here. So took it off of this candle here, the one that closed with no wick at the top, but I was already in it, and then the candle closed without the wick. So I had a TP of like $1,384 right here because I can't make more than like $1,500. So yeah, TP got smacked in legit 1 minute, like legitimately 1 minute candle. Look at it right here. Insane. Some days you just get the roll of the dice, you know what I mean? Some days not so much. But dude, that was crazy. That 1 minute candle just doink, like 30 pips. Okay, another question here. Do we wait for another candle after breaking a support or resistance, or we wait for the retest? Hold on. So we're not talking about today's situation here though, right? Oh, are you talking about like getting a closure below? Like this? That'll be the best play. That'll be the most secure play right there. And hopefully that'll be what the next 30-minute candle will give us. Yeah. So we'll see. We came down and broke the low there and popped back up. So still too early for sells. It was almost here. Yeah, that's going to be probably your most confirmed entry. Because other than that, we could literally range here. Like, even if we got a push to the downside, right, we can get a push and then just kind of do something like that, right? Right back in the range, especially with pre-FOMC here right now. So we already have NY open, NYSE open. That's all behind us now. You know what I mean? So now the big volatility is going to come out of that news event, and we may range until then.
So we either take the weak confirmation, like the iffy confirmation from the 15, or we wait for a stronger confirmation off the 30-minute. Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah, so when you say you can't do X amount on the combine, why? So basically they have what they call a consistency rule. Meaning I think most companies are like 30%. So you can only make 30% of the profit target in 1 day. So Topstep I think is 50, right? So let's say if you have to make $100 in 1 day, the most you can make is like 50, 55, whatever, 50. Like it doesn't have to be exactly, but you have to be following this consistency rule. So that's what I mean by that. So in this case, right, the 50K, the target is $3,000. So half of that would be 1,500. So that's all I can make in 1 day. So that's why I cut it out at like 1,400. And I've now done this on like 4 combines where I'll typically get it done in like 3 trades, just with this simple mentality of like, all right, let's see if we can get the 50% today and then move on to tomorrow. And if we get another really, really good trade, we'll see if we can pop that other 50% in. So that's been, working well for me. After the candle closes, are we going in for a trade? If the 30-minute candle closes like this. So I know a lot of you guys jumped in these sells already because your patient muscle isn't strong yet. It's not, your discipline muscle isn't there yet. So you kind of heard me talking about the hopes of potentially this sell play working out, and you just thought, well, you know what, I'll just beat him to it by a couple pips, right? And then a lot of times you're going to pay the price for that, right? Because price is not ready yet. It's not ready yet until you get that 30 closing below. So anyone who did enter sells here, just take it as like a nice, good lesson here today. What time do we trade London in the clubhouse? 1:30 a.m. Eastern. 1:30 a.m. to 4 a.m. Took the sell there, lost 20 pips. Yeah, I already know because those were my mistakes too. You know, early on trying to learn all this. I'll take the sell right there. I'll get impatient. Raja say, nah, wait for the candle to close. I'll be like, nah, this guy don't know anything. He keeps missing moves. I'm going to take this here. And yeah, I would end up paying the price for it. So through that process, though, you begin to learn when is it ready, when is it not ready, when should you wait, when should you not wait, when should you delete, right? There's a reason I deleted when I did. And if I didn't, would have got stopped out too right there, right? So a lot of it just spidey sense. Yeah. Your spidey senses will kick in, but you have to learn through those mistakes. So it's totally fine that you're making that mistake. It's just now about learning from it. Candles are totally different. Yeah. Because yeah, I think that's the #1 question of the year. Yeah. So I'm using a futures chart. You're probably using like a Oanda chart, and that's why they're different. Are you a Raja student? Yes, I am. Yeah, I learned pretty much the whole strategy I learned from Raja, and then 4 years of me actually applying it, I learned things, you know, through my own chart time as well. Yeah. I got market fluidity right here. I'm a market fluidity student. Here's the university. Oh man, whoops.
I'm proud to say that, bro.
Yeah. Wow. 4 hour back up. Damn. The buys, yeah, because we've already been moving up for a bit. We're tapping into that daily resistance here. We're a little late to the party on buys, right? I think I'd rather see a bit of a pullback before taking buys, like maybe something like that, right? And then up. So we're a little too late on the party here for the buys, especially with the daily highs being right here. We don't want to get faked out there.
And I'd rather take my retracements on the 30-minute, like, versus the 15-minute in this case, too. I know the 15-minute, like, retraced a little bit, but I want to see the 30-minute retrace as well, if I were to take buys here.
Yeah. Yeah, all of it closed above, but probably not that interested. Too much chop to the left here. Especially on the daily. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it here. I'll wait for FOMC. I'm already green. I'm not trying to go from green to red on some stupid trade. I'll probably settle in, let price action do what it needs to do, and then look at the markets again around like 1 p.m. Eastern. Little bit before Jerome comes on.
Are we sticking around in the club here? Or?
Yeah, I'll chill in the club for a little bit longer, and then depending on what we see over the next like 30 minutes, we may call it early and then just come back at like 1. All right. All right. Cool, man. Cool. Good stream today. Really good questions. Good topic of conversation earlier. Hope it helped. Hope you guys learned something. John, Rafi, appreciate you guys being here as always.
Yes, sir. Thank you for having me, my brother.
And we will see you back here tomorrow. Yeah, good luck if you guys are trading FOMC. Good luck. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll kind of pop in there here and there, see how you guys are doing, let you guys know what we're looking for, and yeah, see if we can make some money a little later. Cool. All right, gang.
Thanks,
love y'all. Have a great day.
All right? Family.
Let's be great.
See you guys.
Let's be great. Let's be great. We'll see you guys later. All right. Peace, chat. Peace, peace.
Days just feel the same. Why can't life just change? I've been trying to find my way. I'm tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down. Now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down. Now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be tired of going through the motions.
Trying to make it through a long day with a uniform for a shirt. So quick to lose inspiration when I'm clocking back into work. It could be worse. I ain't sleeping in the dirt. I've been going through the motions while I'm on this earth. What's it worth?
All this time been passing. Feels like I'm losing passion. Please God make something happen. It feels like nothing happens. I need changes for the better. I've been walking through the weather. I'm so used to saying never. Maybe never last forever.
I don't know.
Feel my pain when I go through the rain. Do you go through the same? Yeah. Look at that damn. Now I gotta do me, boy. Stay in my lane. I gotta live my life for the light, man. I can't wait. Yeah, I ain't going down the drain, tired of going through the motions. Days just feel the same. Why can't life just change? I've been trying to find my way. I'm tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down. Now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down. Now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be tired of going through the motions.
I got a Ford Focus, wish I had a Mercedes. Driving around the city, man, my schedule been crazy. I'm tired of being single, wish I had me a lady. I'm trying to find a promised land and someone gon' take me.
Hey Chris, man, the world ain't really about you. It seems like you got something to prove. Yeah, I'm at a show, hop on the stage and go. I'm hearing a round of applause, but what if I lose my soul? All them long nights, lost in the hype, and we had to finish a song. Man, I've lost sight, looking at lights, I never let go of the phone. What if my whole life I missed the point, and then I end up alone? Emotions gon' make you a clone. Days just feel the same. Why can't life just change? I've been trying to find my way. I'm tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down. Now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be tired of going through the motions. I was just trying to be down. Now it's just time to be me. Now it's just time to be tired of going through the motions.
Keep going, 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 keep going.
I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I don't half step cause I know the full truth. The devil cooking, he don't know that I could cook too. When life give me pressure, I still show the good fruit. I treat it like my last rep and I just push through. I don't believe in failure cause I can't afford it. And if it ain't meant for me, then I ain't about to force it. I think about the victory, it trigger my endorphins. The mission too important, ain't no way I could abort it. So I gotta keep going. 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 Yeah. We on time, momentum come alive anytime God ride. It be only God vibes, I'm consistent when I try. It's divine, you would think we at the park the way he slide. All I feel is bliss since the purpose been defined. God don't ever miss, he got my back when I arrive. Anytime I give, I get it back, I pay my tithe. Anytime I slip, I come right back, I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Keep going.
I gotta keep going.